Welcome to the Confederation of International Survivors broadcast channel. We will begin our broadcast shortly. Welcome to the Confederation of International Survivors broadcast channel. We will begin our broadcast shortly. This is a broadcast from the Confederation of International Survivors. We have several updates to bring you regarding the ongoing global catastrophe. What little good news we have is that our friends in northern Siberia have obtained files to project Stargate. In combination with the files we have obtained from what is left of America, we may be able to determine what caused this terrible tragedy. Unfortunately, we can officially report on the deaths of Major Adam Benson and Lieutenant Aurelia Solcedo. We do not know the full details surrounding their deaths, but we know they died fighting bravely. We can now also report that the bunker city of Uxted has fallen. It was breached late last night, and since then it has been decimated by enemy forces. We are yet to receive any contact from survivors. Our population map has been updated. As seen here, India has now tipped over into the 81 to 100% population loss bracket. The same also applies to Mexico, Argentina and Kazakhstan for the 61 to 80% bracket. With the global economy destroyed, no mass production of energy or resources, what's left of society is barely functioning. The Confederation of International Survivors has helped, and certain parts of the world are avoiding patrols and sustaining themselves. As the world struggles, as many suffer, and as people become surrounded by darkness, it is important to remember that help will always guide us into the light. Thank you, and we will see you next week.